Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Apple Maps, open it and pick your destination now. Once done, make sure location services are active and Maps has permission to use your location. Tap directions and choose driving as the transport mode so speed limit data is available. If you want live speed, start navigation. Passive map view won't always show limits. This first step gets the app and permissions aligned, so the speed limit overlay can appear during your drive without needing further toggles. Once navigation is running, focus on the map display. The speed limit typically appears as a small badge near the driving arrow or edge of the screen. You should see the road speed as a white or black rounded rectangle. That's the live limit. If you don't, open Settings Maps and ensure driving and navigation options are set to show speed. Make adjustments, then return to navigation and watch for the badge to populate while you move. This is how Apple Maps overlays real-time limits. To finish, verify the speed badge during driving and keep attention on the road rather than the screen. If it fails to show, force close Maps and relaunch or reboot your iPhone. This clears temporary display issues. Also confirm region and map data. Some areas don't provide speed limits. If you use CarPlay, connect and confirm the badge appears on the car's display. One key troubleshooting tip: if speed limits still don't appear, toggle location services off and on. Then restart navigation to force a data refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.